Hey friends, come and check out this beautiful 2-bed, 2-bath condo listing in gorgeous Ladera Heights, a super quiet, established neighborhood that's totally walkable. The beauty of this listing is that it is west facing and has treetop views. You only share one wall and it has in-unit washer and dryer, along with 2 side-by-side parking spaces. For those of you who are thinking, hey, I think I can live in that place. Are you like a single person who is looking to live alone? Are you a young married couple or newly partnered up and you want to make that investment and cohabitate? Are you a family with a little baby or a baby on the way? Because if that's the case, this is absolutely for you. Close to everything that you need and close to LAX for family and friends to visit. Easy parking on the street and a super small, intimate community.